When a system fails, it is often a tiny connector that makes all the difference. For original equipment manufacturers, reliable custom connectors are the backbone of mission-critical performance in industries like aerospace, medical, industrial, and more. Standard connectors sometimes just do not cut it. Custom connectors are engineered to match precise mechanical, electrical, or environmental needs. A custom solution ensures your equipment performs flawlessly under pressure, every single time. Circuit Assembly manufactures a wide range of custom connectors with waterproof sealing, multi-pin connectors for compact power distribution, and ruggedized D-sub connectors for military and industrial use. From serial ATA, SAS, and storage connectors to medical connectors, every solution is built for reliability. At Circuit Assembly, every connector is manufactured with meticulous attention to quality. Each unit undergoes rigorous testing for electrical and mechanical performance, ensuring it meets industry standards and your exact specifications. Like and follow for more insights.